Hello guys, what's up guys, everyone? Welcome to another vlog, and today we're gonna show you the main touristic spots nearby at Kambal Luxury Suites, our place in Rome, in Via Arenula number 41, is at the city center. So today we're gonna show you all the main touristic spots here in our place. So let's go guys. Still in Via Arenula, we have the bus stop going to the terminal station, tram number 8, bus letter H, and just in front of us there will be the Justicia. And now is coming the tram number 8 going to Piazza Venezia, so very accessible. Okay, so guys, we're here at Piazza Campo di Fiori, just 5 minutes walk from our Kambal Luxury Suites. So this is a flea market. So every morning there is a flea market, and in the night here is a very typical place for the young tourists, locals, for the nightlife, mini bars and restaurants. Okay guys, we're here at the Castel Sant'Angelo. This was the main residence of the Pope during the construction of the Basilica of St. Peter. Over there is the Basilica of St. Peter, the Vatican City. Here we go. Okay guys, finally we're here at the Vatican City, the Piazza Santiago Vaticano, and along this road is the Via delle Conciliazione, the main road in front of the Basilica of the Vatican City. Finally, we're here in 20 minutes walk from our Kambal Luxury Suites. So we're here at the Vatican Square, St. Peter Basilica, and over there is the Vatican Museum. This is the main residence of the Pope. Okay guys, in 10 minutes stroll from our Kambal Luxury Suites, you will be here at the Piazza Navona, the main Renaissance square. As you can see, very beautiful and nice place to visit, to see. We're here at Pantheon, one of the famous place here in Rome, and just 7 minutes walking from our Kambal Luxury Suites. Before it was the most pagan church. Okay guys, we're here in Via del Corso, the shopping street here in Rome, and just 7 minutes walk from our Kambal Luxury Suites. Okay, over there is the Piazza Venezia, and over there is Popolo. Okay guys, we're here at the famous Trevi Fountain, the Fontana di Trevi. Very nice, as you can see over here. Okay guys, we're finally here in front of the Spanish Steps, a wide, most irregular gathering place consisted of 138 steps. A very nice place to hang out. As you can see, very beautiful. And in front, there is Via Condotti, the high-end street in Rome for shopping. Almost all branded items, you can find it in here. Like Gucci, Louis Vuitton, Armani, Moncler, Dolce & Gabbana, Chanel, and many others. Okay guys, we're here in Victor Emmanuel Monument. They called also Altare della Patria here in Piazza Venezia. One of the famous place also to visit. And in front, they are work in progress. The metro line C, well connected to the line B, Colosseum, and line C, San Giovanni. Okay guys, so just 5 minutes walking from our Kambal Antica Maison and 7 minutes walking from our Kambal Luxury Suites, the Piazza Venezia Monument. In 20 minutes stroll from our Kambal B&B. At the back of Piazza Venezia, there is Via dei Fori Imperiali going to the Colosseum. Also 10 minutes walking to our Kambal B&B. The Colosseum is also known as the Flavian Amphitheater. Is an oval amphitheater in the center of the city of Rome, built in of travertine limestone, tuff, and brick-faced concrete. It was the largest amphitheater ever built in the time and held 50,000 to 80,000 spectators. We're here in the Colosseum. One of the famous places to visit in Rome. Very nice place. Okay guys, we're here now in Piazza Mattei at doorstep of our Kambal Antica Maison. One of the famous fountains in Rome. It was in 15th century, older than the Trevi Fountain. So the name is Piazza Mattei and Fountain of the Turtle. And over here, our entrance gating to enter to our Kambal Antica Maison. Okay, that's it guys. So guys, for those who are looking for an accommodation here in Rome, to stay when you visit Rome, so please don't hesitate to contact us. Just comment down below your queries. Okay guys, thank you for watching. And stay safe. God bless. See you. Please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, Kambal Group of Hotels. Okay, thank you for watching. Stay safe and God bless. Bye-bye.